sometimes we get problem whenever we try to scan some documents with the paper. How to scan any papers with the PC? I'm Amir from IT Management. Here I'm to fix it. Let's go dive into the video. Any machine, there is no problem whichever machine it is. Just plug in the machine printer and then connect the printer with the PC. After this, turn on the printer and then go to your Windows search panel and just search scan. Here you get scan and fax. Click on it and then here you get some option. Select the printer, which printer you want to select and scan with it. Just select the printer and click OK, and there you can see the document name. Select the document and then select you want to scan it JPG, PNG, or which format you want to scan the document, and then which format you want to scan, with the color, grayscale, or black and white. Select whichever you want and then select the resolution of your scanning paper, and then you can see the preview of the scanning paper, and then just scan it. Then in this way, whatever printer it is, there is no problem. This is the only way and the easiest way to scan any paper from the computer. So thank you.